Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I just got the package from Firecracker Farms. This is the final lemon drop hot salt. Check out the video. I actually harvest lemon drop peppers here in Wisconsin for the summer. This is my 3rd year doing this. And then I dehydrate them in my Corsori, so you can check out that video right here. And then I send them to my buddy, Alex. Incredible dude, I've known him for over a decade, actually maybe 2 decades. And he has Firecracker Farm and they make hot salt. And for the 3rd year in a row, we've made Lambeau lemon drop. It's incredible, I love it. I love giving it to people that have never had it. Oh man, there it is. I'm gonna open one. I'm gonna actually open a lemon drop. Oh my goodness. Oh, so he sent me, oh my goodness. Wow, I think that's a death one. That might be the 3 Kings, I'm not sure. Then he sent me, oh, I got a yuzu. That looks amazing. And all the rest. Oh man, look at that, Lambeau lemon drop. Lambeau lemon drop. I got a whole box here. This is great. All right, so I'm just gonna open one just to kind of show you guys. I love the way that Alex does his packaging. It's pretty incredible. Thank you, Alex, for these 2. I cannot wait to try these. This is gonna be great. So I'm gonna put these down over here, and I gotta figure out who am I gonna give these away to for Christmas. I got my Christmas presents, so nice white box. Got the sticker there. I'm just gonna cut the sticker open. We're gonna open the package. Oop, broke it already. It's okay. The best parts are inside the box. All right, so, ooh, look at that. Nice package. This is the hot salt, and then what he does is he gives you the made with love on our family farm. So this is a family operation. This is why I love it. I know Alex personally. He's been a friend, web developer. He's helped with a lot of my sites, and 5 years ago, I think he went on his own and started Firecracker Farm. 0 calories, 12% sodium. Other than that, that's all you got in it. So this is the refill. So we got Lambeau lemon drop. That's tight. And then little Firecracker Farms envelope and logo. And ooh, inside we have some trading cards. We love making hot salt for awesome people and enjoy sharing our efforts with you. On behalf of Firecracker Farm and our family, thank you, Alex. That's a picture of Alex and the fam. And then we have a thank you and some socials. And here we go. Let's open it up. Preserved for freshness, I like that. Ooh, I like it, it's so nice, so nice. So that is the hot salt box for the Lambeau lemon drop. And, oh, that was funny. Out dropped my trading card. That's hilarious. Lambeau lemon drop trading card that comes in there. And then look, hey, it's me. Ooh, it's so nice. So you see the package it comes in, and you have the Palm City, Florida, made with love of our family. You got the nutrition data. This is the Firecracker Farm hot salt. It's kind of cool to think I grew lemon drops in my garden and people are enjoying these flavors that I grew into this product. This is a really nice grinder, very high quality. And you know, just gonna put some salt in my hand and I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It has the tang, it has the lemon, not too crazy hot. It's very good though. Oh yeah, I took a little bit more. There's a little bit more heat. You can taste the lemon. I love it. This pretty much sells out every year. I highly recommend, if you haven't already, go ahead and purchasing if you're interested in purchasing it. If you're a friend of mine, you may or may not be getting a Christmas present. So thank you, Alex. Thank you, Firecracker Farm. And thank you for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think if you actually end up buying this. Tell me what you think about the flavors and what you think about what we got going on.